Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In the previous lecture, we have learned a different type of operators. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn equality operator. So let's start. Equality operators are equal and not equal. So number first, we can apply equality operator for every primitive data type including boolean. So we can apply equality operator on boolean and any primitive data type. Like you can apply equal to operator with 10 and 10.0, which is integer type, and this is float type, this is a character type, this is a integer type, and this is a boolean type, and this is a double type. So you can apply any primitive type and boolean type. Let's see with example. Suppose if you trying to apply 10 equal to 10.0, yes, true. And okay, if you apply with character with the float type, you will get a false. Okay, if you apply true with true, which is boolean type, then also you will get the result. Okay. Okay, now let's with the next point. Number 2, we can apply equality operator for object reference. Also, for two object reference R1 and R2. R1 equal to R2 return true if R1 and R2 is pointing to the same object. It means equality operator always compare reference, or we can say it compare address of object. Check with the example. Here we have defined two strings. String S1, new string Syam, and second string is Pawan. And in the third string we assign the reference variable of S2. So the output will be S1 equal to S2 is false. It means S1 and S2 is pointing to two different reference. S1 equal to S3, also S1 and S3 pointing to the different reference, and S2 and S3 is pointing to the same reference. That is why the S2 equal to S3 is true. So let's practical with this. Okay, we define first string S1 equal to new string Syam, and the next one just a copy and paste, change the reference name, change the argument, and third one is string s3 equal to s2. Okay, now check it with one by one. S1 equal to s2, it will give false. S1 with s3, it will also give the false, but S2 and S3 will gives you result true. Okay, now move for the next operator, which is instance of operator. Instance of operator. The Java instance of operator is used to test whether the object is an instance of a specified type. Means it is a specified class or a subclass or an interface type of object. The instance of in Java is known as a type comparison operator because it compares the instance with type. It returns either true or false. If we apply the instance of operator with any variable that has a null value, it returns false. Let's see an example. Simple, we have taken the class simple1 and we create the reference simple1 s equal to new simple1. Here we are testing s is the instance of simple1, the result will be true. It means instance of operator shows that whatever the reference or object we have created, that is the particular class object or not. Here we have defined the S is the object of simple1 class. So here we are checking as is a instance of simple1, then it is true. Let's see with example. Here we have a test class. So don't go other place. Just we create the test t equal to new test. Okay. Now we check t instance of test. So the result is true. If you define t1 which you have not defined, okay, suppose you create a another one class uh, test1, okay, and if you check, okay, an object of subclass type is also a type of parent class. For example, if dog extends animal, then object of dog can be referred by either a dog or animal class. Like here, we have defined a class animal and dog d1 extends animal. So dog inherits the animal. So here we have created the reference variable dog, and if we check D is an instance of animal, then also it will give the true result. Okay, so here we are testing like before that, which was test1. So here we have to be ex, extends test1. Okay, now if you check T is an instance of, then it will give true. Instance of in Java with a variable that have null value. If you apply instance of operator with a variable that have null value, it returns false. Let's see example given below where we apply instance of operator with the variable that have null value. Okay, so let's try. Okay, suppose we have defined a test class and we assign a null value, and now we are trying to test t is an instance of t, then it will give which one. Okay, now we have to remove that. Yeah, false. So it will give the false. Okay friends, till now we have learned the instance of operator and the equal operator. In the next video lecture we learn the bitwise operator. Okay, till then, bye.